Hello, this is Amanda with NCTI. Today I'd like to give you a quick orientation as a data entry user and show you how to enter pre- and post-test results into the Crossroads testing system. Upon logging in, you will see a list of classes for your agency. You, as a data entry user, can see every class that is scheduled or completed for your agency. You can search by a number of items. Most likely you've been given a stack of pre and post tests and been asked to enter those. You can search for that class by curriculum name, curriculum SKU, class unique ID, facilitator name, or the start date. I'm going to go ahead and search by the class unique ID. Happens to be the one that was down here. Once you've located that class, you can click on it and go into the class page. There are a few things that you are going to be doing on this page. You can manage the roster, in which you will enter the student unique ID and student name and add to this list of students at the bottom. When you go to enter the scores for the pretest, you'll click on this button. You'll see that the post-test button is not available right now because it knows that the pretest had not yet been entered. To enter the pretest results, you must enter the class ID. This number is at the top of the tests that you have been given. The reason for this step is to ensure that the tests you are entering belong to the class that you are entering them in. Confirm that and it takes you into the area where you can enter the pre-test results. Anyone who's already been entered onto the roster will appear below. For the sake of time, I'm doing this class with only one participant, which would never happen in real life. But I want to make sure that you see me actually enter the results so that you know how this looks. You can verify that you're entering the pretest at the top and that you have the correct information. You can verify that the test you're looking at matches this name and unique ID for the participant. You now go down the list and you enter the answers that they have entered on their test. If you find that there is a question with no answer or they've answered multiple items, you'll check letter E, multiple answer or no answer. So you go through, just make it match the test, and then you click update. And you'll see here that it now says the status of the pretest result is completed. Once you've finished everyone on this list, you then enter the post-test results. You see that it looks identical, but you can look at the top and see I'm now entering post-test results. Here's my list of students. I will go in and complete this action for my one person on the roster. I can verify again that I'm looking at the correct person. I then go through and I answer exactly what they answered on their post-test. And then I will update. Once the status of everyone on the roster is complete, the last item that you're going to need to do is to submit the result. Once you submit these results, they can no longer be updated. The class is marked as completed, and you'll know because it will turn blue, and you will no longer be able to perform any actions on the class. If you have any questions at all, we have a help section with frequently asked questions, and there is a manual for data entry users which contains screenshots and instructions on how to do each of these actions. If there are any questions that we have not answered for you, you're welcome to contact us at any time and we'll help walk you through the steps of what you need to do. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we wish you the best of luck.